Are you ready to revolutionize the way you handle data? In today's tutorial, we are diving into Tableau Agent, the ultimate tool for business users who want to create their own dashboards without needing any prior Tableau knowledge. Imagine speeding up your analysis and building stunning dashboards in no time, all thanks to Tableau Agent, which is a great addition for self-service analytics. With Tableau Agent, you will get a powerful AI assistant right at your fingertips. Just describe your task or ask a question and watch as Tableau Agent creates the visualization for you. It's like having a data expert by your side, helping you explore and analyze your data. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how Tableau Agent can help you to speed up your dashboard building process by assisting you with your queries. So let's get started and see how it can help you with your data analysis journey. Tableau Agent is only available in web authoring using Tableau Cloud. To start using Tableau Agent, we need to make sure about 4 things. First one, that you are on the Tableau Cloud. As I mentioned earlier, it's only available in web authoring, so it's only available on Tableau Cloud. So once we are on Tableau Cloud, the second thing we need to make sure is that you are on a workbook. So let's go to Explore and create a new workbook. And once we create a new workbook, you have to be connected to a particular data source. So whichever you want. In this case, I am connecting to Simple Superstore dataset. So the first thing, we need to be on a Tableau Cloud side. Second thing, we need to open a new workbook or even an existing workbook, which is connected to a data source. And in order to connect to Tableau Agent, or in order to get the Tableau Agent working or helping you to create your visualization, you have to go to a sheet, because Tableau Agent only work or do the conversation with you at the sheet level. It won't be available at the dashboard level. So let's go to the sheet and see how we can start using Tableau Agent. And you will see here on the right hand side, this Einstein icon is the Tableau Agent icon, which will help you to use generative AI to explore your data. So simply click on that. And if you see that on the dashboard, this thing will be grayed out. So as I mentioned earlier, it is only available at the sheet level. So let's click on that and let's see what Tableau Agent suggests you or how it can help you with your analytic journey. So even if you don't have prior knowledge to Tableau, you can do the conversation with the Tableau Agent and it will help you create different visualizations. So let's get started by clicking on Suggestions. So if you don't know what this data is about, you can click on Suggestions and Tableau will analyze the data and give you the questions which you can start with. So let's pick up this question: which regional managers have the highest number of returned orders? So simply click on that and it will generate a bar chart with the top 4 regional managers who had maximum number of returned orders. So now I want to further analyze on that. Let's say I want to know these returned orders are under which category. So I will ask another question which can say, show me the data by category and color code it. And here you can see that all these 4 regional managers, their maximum return order are now color coded by categories, and you can straight away see that. And now I want to add the labels. So for example, the count of returns in furniture, office supplies, and technology, I want it to be labeled on the chart, so which is currently not there. So I will simply say, please add the label of sales by category. And you will simply see here that all these labels are actually added on these individual color-coded categories. Here you go. How simple it is. Just by adding few lines, you have your visualization created. But now I want to see the data only for the year 2022. So let's say filter the data for year 2022. And let's see what it does for us. So far I haven't created the visualization by myself. I'm just typing in the commands and Tableau Agent is doing that for me. So here you can see all these numbers are changed, and now it is only created the numbers for 2022. And let's say I want to change it to 2023. And I will say change the filter to show data for 2023. So now you will see the numbers will change. Here you go. And now let's say I want to add subcategory or segments, right? So I will simply say, please add segments and subcategory as a field. And here you go. So it added the segment and subcategory field for each of the regional manager, and also color coding it and showing the labels on each of these bars. Isn't it cool? So that was for the first sheet. Let's try something different. Let's create a new sheet. And in this sheet, I want to create a table. So as most of us know that most of the business users want to see the data in a table format. So I will simply say create a table with region, category and subcategory and sales. So let's see what it creates for us. So here the table is created for region, all the regions, the categories and subcategories. But let's say I want it to be structured in a way that all the category, subcategory and region are shown in the rows and corresponding sales next to it. So I will say move category, subcategory along with region in row shelf. You might have noticed that I am only using Tableau Agent to do this analysis. Think of it as I don't know anything about Tableau, but this Tableau Agent is helping me do that. And you can see here, the table is created the way I wanted. Now, let's say I want to create a LOD to show or group these sales by region and category. So I want another column which adds up all these sales together and put it in another column. So let's see how it can be done. So I will say, please use LOD expression to calculate the total sales by region and category. So I don't know what are LOD expression and how to use them, but I have simply written that create a LOD calculation. So it does that for me, fix region and category field and give me the sum of sales. So let's see what it creates for us. So this field is created and I will simply double click it and you will see the total sales by region and category, and you will see it groups the sales by category and region, and the total is 164 grand and 538. And that's for all of these category and regions. Isn't it cool? Now, how can we validate it, right? So let's say I go to analysis and I want to go to total and add subtotals. And you will see here, the total for all these sales is 164,538. And we got the same value by using LOD in the calculated field. Let's say I want to create another calculated field, but this time I only want to get the totals just by region. So I want to get the total just by region, which will be, in this case for central region, 543,171. I want this in another column which displays 543,171. So let's create another field. Please create new calculated field using LOD to show total sales by region. So what it will do in this case is it will create a LOD calculation which says sum of fixed region, sum of sales. So let's click OK and I will bring it in. And you will see exactly 543,171, which is the total here. And now it is added in that column. Isn't it cool? It's so easy to create a LOD calculated field using Tableau Agent. That's how we can use Tableau Agent to create a table. Now let's try another scenario where I want to create a map, right? And let's say I want to create a map where I want to show the sales by categories across the state, right? So this is just in my head. So let's write a question. Please create a map and show the breakdown of sales by category across all the states. Let's see what it creates for us. Wow, that's amazing. It created a pie chart for all these states showing the sales by category. So let's increase the size a bit. And here you can see for each state, it created a pie chart. And if you hover over, like furniture sales in California is 156 grand and 142 grand for office supplies, and for technology 159 grand. So that's really cool. Like it can create different kind of visualization, complex visualization, even complex calculation by just typing in. That's amazing. Like even if you don't know how to use Tableau, you can start your journey by just asking questions to Tableau Agent to create these amazing visualization. I hope you guys enjoyed this session, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a message in the comment section below. And maybe in the next tutorial, I will try to help you create the entire dashboard by just using Tableau Agent. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in the next tutorial.